Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Me love it all on, you know. Oh, this is the last time I hear my voice. Wife, I told me I torment my life. I'm trying to go and tell me, torment my life. I got a station last night report. Boyfriend come from money, I come back up Johnson. Come back and talk to you, man. You man lick off the door to money. I torment my life, I torment my life. And this morning, I have to kill her. Sorry, but I say go. I'm not going to see your face, it doesn't. So I love you all on. Say go, one love. Alright.
Viewers and subscribers, this way here right here so one voice note where circulate of a police officer where killed his wife out of frustration. You see, all of this happened at a place that is called Tower Isle in St. Mary, that is near to Prospect. You see, the residents said them hear the constable and his wife, right, arguing, and a few moments later they hear a gunshot. You see, the wife that had been killed, her name is Janet Hardy Lawrence, a 45-year-old lady, and the man that did the whole thing, as we know, is a police officer. You see, this all of this take place today. You see me, and further on in the news, because the crime scene is there, the police officer has been detained because them come and see him on the scene of the crime. So me just explain to you because this voice note is circulating on social media of this man actually confessing the thing that he did. And yeah, so right about now, police they do the investigation right at the scene of the crime and all these things, and they don't know. Seriousskilla will keep you posted. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Seriousskilla ENT. Big up on yourself, you see it.